Hello guys, my name is Kevin Carr and I love building software. The channel is going to focus on a few main topics. Tutorial videos that explore different languages, so think more learning about Python, Java, JavaScript, and let's go on and on in different technologies, so maybe a couple videos about React and other frameworks like that. Also videos that explore different concepts in computing and distributed systems. So thinking more about this as a crash course on a different concept or your standard systems design interview where you focus on trying to build the architecture of your favorite software or a certain company. Also project-based learning where you choose a certain software you want to build and just build it with whatever variation of tech stack that you choose. And then finally, advice on how to become a better software engineer overall. If you want a channel where you can learn more about software engineering from a software engineer, or just love the topic and want to become better overall, please follow my channel. I commit to posting at least one video per week, and I'll be honest with you, like the first couple videos is going to be an MVP or minimum viable product. I'm not the best YouTuber. I don't have the best editing skills or audio skills, but I'm going to improve week over week. And I commit to improving every single week and delivering informative and interesting content that's relevant for your software engineering interest. If you have any video recommendations or feedback, please let me know in the comments of my videos. And if you find the content that I'm going to be producing in the videos interesting or you learn something, please like them as well. And then overall, if you find or enjoy my videos and learn something from it, please also subscribe to me as well. I'm so excited that you joined my journey and me talking about different software topics, computing, and then overall how to be a better software engineer. So thank you so much. Please subscribe, and I can't wait for our journey for this channel to learn more. So thank you, and I'll see you in my videos.